Hello friends, today's topic, you may not have Adani stocks, but your mutual fund has. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. After the huge fall in Adani stocks yesterday due to bribery charges in India by the US officials, Adani stocks opened negative today too, but gradually recovered by mid-morning and closed marginally positive today. While only a small number of investors in our channel hold Adani stocks, indirectly we may be all holding stocks of Adani Group through mutual funds. In fact, mutual funds added around 46 lakh shares of Adani Enterprise in their portfolio in October as the number of shares went up from 2.5 crore in September to around 2.96 crores in October 2024. As on 31st October 2024, Indian mutual fund industry collectively held rupees 43,455 crore worth of shares in 10 listed companies of the Adani Group. The statistics is as follows. Adani Group mutual fund shareholding. Quant Small Cap Fund 2.76% of the net assets, total holding 727 crores. SBI Arbitrage Opportunities Fund holding 536 crores worth of Adani stocks. ICICI Prudential Equity Arbitrage Fund 524 crores. Adani ports are held by SBI Focused Equity Fund to the tune of 1059 crores. HDFC Balanced Advantage Fund 373 crores. ICICI Prudential Equity Savings Fund 325 crores. Going further, ACC shares of Adani held by HDFC Mid Cap Opportunities Fund to the tune of 1041 crores. Mirai Asset Large and Mid Cap Fund 408 crores. SBI Contra Fund 335 crores. Ambuja Cement held by Mirai Asset Large Cap Fund to the tune of 658 crores. ICICI Prudential Value Discovery Fund 466 crores. Kotak Flexi Cap Fund 453 crores. Adani Power held by Quant ELSS Tax Saver Fund to the tune of 835 crores. Quant Small Cap Fund 670 crores. Quant Flexi Cap Fund 445 crores. Adani Energy Solutions held by SBI Large and Mid Cap Fund to the tune of 459 crores. SBI Energy Opportunities Fund 161 crores. Tata Large and Mid Cap Fund 113 crores. Since Adani Group shares are large, mutual funds are likely to have stake in these companies. Following is the total value of stake held by various fund houses in active schemes Adani Group shares. Apart from this, index funds will hold various fund houses as per the index. Fund house exposure to Adani Group stocks. Quant Mutual Fund 4,896 crores. ICICI Prudential 2,638 crores. HDFC 2,535 crores. SBI 2,571 crores. Mirai 1,774 crores. Tata 1,482 crores. Aditya Birla Sun Life 1,078 crores. Kotak 922 crores. Franklin 473 crores. Nippon 422 crores. LIC holds around 30,000 crores worth of Adani shares. As per yesterday's report, its value in Adani holdings fell by a significant amount. So whether we like it or not, most investors hold stake in Adani Group stocks, some directly and some indirectly. End of the video, here is the question. Do you hold any of the mutual funds mentioned in this list? Yes or no, you may type. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.